Everyone thinks the best-selling gaming mouse is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different. Let's break down the top 5 budget gaming mice that actually deliver on performance.
Product number 1, Razer Basilisk V3. First up is the Razer Basilisk V3. Priced at just $34.98, this mouse caught my attention with its iconic ergonomic design and impressive features. If you want a mouse that not only feels great in your hand, but also performs exceptionally well, this is worth a serious look. The Basilisk V3 is built for gamers who need precision and comfort. With an astonishing 26K DPI optical sensor, you'll experience pixel-perfect accuracy, whether you're sniping in an FPS or maneuvering in an MMO. The 11 programmable buttons are a game changer, letting you customize controls for everything from quick commands to complex macros. Plus, the Hyperscroll tilt wheel allows for rapid scrolling. You need to flip through skills or resources in a blink. And I'll be real with you, the customizable Razer Chroma RGB lighting is a nice touch that adds personality to your setup. However, some users mention that the design can feel a bit bulky for smaller hands. Here's the thing though, if you have larger hands or prefer a more substantial grip, this isn't really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performing mouse that offers great customization options. Skip this one if you have smaller hands or prefer a lightweight design. For the price, it's a solid investment in your gaming experience. Now, if the Basilisk V3's bulkiness sounds like a concern, the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort-focused gamers.
Product number 2, Razer Death Adder Essential. Next up is the Razer Death Adder Essential, coming in at an affordable $24.99. What stands out to me about this mouse is its reputation for being a reliable workhorse in the gaming community. If you want something durable and straightforward without sacrificing performance, this is definitely worth considering. The Death Adder features a 6400 DPI optical sensor that provides excellent precision and on-the-fly sensitivity adjustments, which is crucial for competitive gaming. Its 5 programmable buttons allow you to customize your gameplay, while the durable mechanical switches are rated for up to 10 million clicks. The rubber side grips add a layer of comfort during those long sessions. Now, some users have reported that the scroll wheel can feel a bit stiff, which can be frustrating during gameplay. But honestly, if you're a hardcore gamer, you might find that the overall performance more than makes up for it. This mouse is perfect for you if you want a no-nonsense design that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a ton of customizable features. For the price, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list takes a completely different approach with its wireless capabilities.
Product number 3, Razer Basilisk V3 Xi. The Razer Basilisk V3 Xi is next, priced at $48.98. This customizable wireless gaming mouse really caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive battery life. If you want versatility without the hassle of wires, this is worth your consideration. This mouse comes equipped with Razer's 5G advanced 18K optical sensor that offers exceptional tracking accuracy. With up to 285 hours of battery life on Razer Hyperspeed Wireless, you can game for days without worrying about charging. Plus, the 9 programmable buttons offer extensive customization, which is great for gamers who like to optimize their controls. The Chroma RGB lighting not only looks great, but can also sync with your games for immersive experiences. However, the price might be a bit higher than some budget options, and a few users mentioned the wireless connectivity can be spotty if you're not in close proximity to the receiver. Here's my take. If you're willing to invest a bit more for that wireless freedom, it's definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a wireless option that doesn't compromise on features. Skip this one if you're on an extremely tight budget. Considering its features, it's a solid investment for a wireless mouse. If wireless isn't your thing, the next mouse might just be what you need.
Product number 4, Logitech G203. Next, we have the Logitech G203, priced at $24.95. This mouse is a great choice if you want something reliable without the frills. If you're looking for solid performance at a budget price, this is worth checking out. The G203 boasts an 8000 DPI optical sensor, offering zero filtering for improved precision. The 6 programmable buttons let you customize your commands, and with Logitech G Hub software, you can tweak the settings to match your playstyle. The LightSync RGB lighting is a fun addition, allowing you to sync colors with other devices or react to in-game events. Some users have noted that the build quality feels a bit basic, especially compared to pricier models. But here's the thing, if you're just starting out or playing casually, you might find that this mouse delivers everything you need without the hefty price tag. This mouse is perfect for you if you want an entry-level option that still offers good performance. Skip this if you need advanced features or a premium feel. It's a great value for the price. Now, if you want something even lighter, check out the next product.
Product number 5, Attack Shark X3. Last on the list is the Attack Shark X3, priced at $39.99. This ultra lightweight mouse really caught my attention because of its unique design and features. If you want something that feels like a feather, yet delivers on performance, this one's for you. At just 49 grams, the X3 feels effortless to use, which is fantastic for fast-paced gaming. It's equipped with a cutting-edge PixArt Paw 3395 sensor that supports up to 26K DPI, which means you can expect incredible precision. The programmable buttons and tri-mode connection options, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and wired, give you plenty of flexibility for different setups. However, some users expressed concerns about the durability of the lightweight design. Here's my perspective. If you're careful with your gear, the benefits of a lightweight mouse during intense gaming sessions can far outweigh any potential downsides. This is perfect for you if you prioritize speed and weight in your gaming gear. Skip this if you prefer a more solid, hefty mouse. It offers great performance for its price point.
So there you have it, my top 5 budget gaming mice. From the ergonomic design of the Razer Basilisk V3 to the lightweight Attack Shark X3, each has its own strengths. If you're looking for great performance without breaking the bank, any of these options could be a perfect fit for you. Happy gaming!